Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to 365 WebX as usual. And so today I'll be showing you how to export a video with um, a high uh, megabyte or gigabyte or even terabyte to, to a smaller size. Okay, so and how you do this is simple. So it doesn't matter if the video is meant to be played on TV or to be played to be uploaded on YouTube, Vimeo, or these platforms. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, Uh, because a lot of people think, you know, for a video to be as sharp as you would think, then the video files need to have this high file size, which is not true. Okay, the most important thing mm, is your video watchable? Okay, does it have the quality that people are looking for? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to export a video with a high file size to uh, to you know uh, uh, a minimal file size. So let's jump straight into the video. So right here you can see on my screen I have Premiere Pro opened, and I have a 7-minute video here. And if I say Control M to export, or better still, for those of you who don't who are just trying to get used to Premiere Pro, you come to File and okay, Export and Media. So you can see right here that okay, because I've okay, this is what we have. You have this 7-minute video, you know, with an estimated file size of 538 megabyte, and this is high. Okay, this is high. So to drop this down, if for example you come down here and say you want to take this to maybe YouTube, or you see YouTube, maybe YouTube here for full HD, then you're having 800 is even higher. Okay, so now what about 720? You just have it you know cut down a bit. So you see, for I think for uh, 33 megabytes. So, and this is still high for a 7-minute video. Okay, and so some people will suggest, let me push this down. Some people suggest that you come down here and start manipulating your target bitrate here, and also some other stuff, but I don't. And of course, okay, so that is it. So I don't recommend this. Okay, to do this, Adobe has helped us to you know cut down the match source uh, by a medium uh, bitrate. Okay, so if I come down here, this is the first one, which is uh, the original file. So if I come down here and I click on the second one, which is match file with medium bitrate, you can see it right here. It has cut that down to 166 megabyte, okay, without messing up uh, ads. And now you can see that the target rate is um, 3 megabyte per second, mbps. So if you export this video, you still maintain the quality and what have you. So to do this, I'm going to export. I've already exported this video, so I'm going to play this video to help us see what it looks like. So okay, so I'm going to play this video.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to 365 WebX. So today I want to show you how to remove recent files in Photoshop, the control.
So you can see that the quality did not, it's still there. It did not drop
20
as much as you would think. Though if you have more sharpness, more like the core sharpness, when you export the video with the matched bitrate, okay, so that it's not causing I'm not causing arguments to whether it is right or wrong. All I'm saying is you don't need, for a YouTube video that people don't care how much how much quality your video is actually in code. All they want is can they be able to see the video, is there details in the video? That is what people care about. So as this stand to be corrected, this might not be go well with so many people, but the idea is for a 7-minute video, you don't need that. You don't need it to, you don't need it having 538 megabytes. Okay, that is just too much. That is what I'm saying. Okay, so you cut it down and still maintain the quality for people to enjoy. So thank you for watching. If you do enjoy the video, please do give it a thumb up, and see you next time in the next video, in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.